Hello friends, today we are going to discuss on Excel function. There are many different functions in Excel, but we are looking at a very few basic functions in Excel today, like sum, average, minimum, maximum, count. These are the basic things we are going to discuss today. And before that, I want to tell you a major thing, like every single calculation that you create on Excel should start with an equal sign. Okay, should start with an equal sign. And every function name has a set of arguments. Okay, I will show you here. See, every single calculation that create on Excel should start with equals to. Okay, because earlier also when we did the operation of sum, we did like 200 equal to 200 plus 500 plus 900 plus 800. If you go for cell like equal to C5 plus C6 plus C7 plus C8, okay, you will get the total. But in the function, you have to start with equal and you write the function. Function means sum, max, minimum. These are the function. Open parenthesis and arguments. What is arguments? The range from the range like C5 to C8. It's an argument for the sum function. So I need sum of C5 to C8. I'll get the total. So this is the function. So let's do one function now. We'll do the sum function for this. So that's the reason I have deleted the earlier data here. For sum, go for formulas. Go click on math and trick. Go and find the sum function. You'll get one more thing. If it's not the correct range, this is the range. Okay, this is the argument. If it's not the correct range, you can also grab it and click and drag it to just get the correct range. This is the correct range you need. So you can grab and click and drag it. So you'll get the correct range. Okay. Okay. You are done. So one more thing we'll do. Sum. Go for sum. This is a correct range C5 to C8. Yes. You have one click and you can. Okay. Done. Now we'll do minimum and maximum function. Okay. Minimum and maximum function. What is minimum? The smallest value I had paid. Max means the largest value I had paid. Minimum. So again go to formula, like do minimum and max will be in the math or will be in the lookup reference or will be in the date, and time will be in the text or will be in the logical. You don't know, so you waste of time and you have to go and search for the each and everything. So for that we have an easy option. Go for insert function and you will have a search for the function, right? Minimum and go, and you'll get click and okay. So this is the range, correct range. You need from B5 to B10. No, we need from B5 to B8. This is the correct range. Okay, that's done. Go for max. Insert. Search for max. Go. You'll get max. Okay. Max you need for same B5 to B8. Okay, we got it. So you got to know what is minimum and what is max. Okay. The smallest amount you have paid on Jan, maximum the largest amount you have paid on Jan. Now we'll talk about average. Average. What is average? The average amount I have spent for each of the month. Average amount I have spent. So if you want to do manually, how will you do? Like you will do 200 plus 500 plus 100 plus 800 by how many count plus divided by 4. Then you will get. It's a waste of time for you. For that you will have one of an option. Go and search from the insert function average. So you'll get average. So you want average from range D5 to D8. So, okay, that's a exact range. But earlier they haven't given the correct range, so I have set it exactly what I need. I need this range. So I get this is the range. Okay. And one more thing we'll write count. One more function is count. Count with the number of value that I have in a range of cells. The number of values I have in a range of cells. So count, same you can go insert count, go here, you, like these things, from these things obviously it will be 4. Okay, it's 4. So these are the basic functions, important functions where we use in the Excel. Okay, thank you.